You will be interested to know I hold countries and world's only record, Limca record and world record, of changing anyone's handwriting in less than 10 minutes time. But here, this is not the forum to share, but I can tell you something important. If you want to improve your handwriting, first and foremost thing is the grip of the pen. Many people don't know this aspect at all. You take the pen and you have the grip. It is called double grip. This middle finger, the pen should base on this middle finger. This. And the thumb and the index finger should hold the pen. And the pen should rest on this. So this is double grip. And the distance between the tip when you press the pen, the tip and the grip should be 1.5 centimeters only. I repeat, 1.5 centimeters. It should neither be like this with very little distance here, nor like this. And you should have 1.5 centimeters. Another thing, if it is detachable cap, this pen has attached cap. If you use a pen with cap detachable, you remove the cap while writing. You will make such a big difference. And I tell you one thing, 2 secrets let me give you. One secret is always cram the letters in a word. Don't give gap between the 2 letters. Suppose you say and, A and T. Between A, N and T, there should not be space even to draw a line. At the same time, the letters should not touch. The next one is between words, leave enough space. How much space, sir? About 1.5 letter space. About 1.5 letter space. When you write A, small a, that space 1.5 times you leave. Printed, 1 space is left. Handwritten, 1.5 times you leave. This will be very useful.